Well, the print house is chugging along. So this is the new Ender 6. Uh, just got it working today. The filament runout sensor is having issues, so this is literally the very first time it's printing. We'll see if it actually goes through and you know doesn't give me an error. So over here we've got an 84-hour D20. So this is going to be a Dungeons and Dragons prop item. I'm going to drill a hole in the bottom of it, and I'm going to stick a handle on it, and it's going to be like a mace, but it's going to be a D20. She wants to be on camera. So I'm printing some inventory items for my eBay shop on these two printers. And again, if you guys haven't seen before, this is my printer shelf with inventory for eBay items and stuff. This is the base station where everything is done, and yeah, so we're chugging along. Here in about a week there's going to be another table which matches these ones, and it's going to be right there. That's going to be gone, and the new Ender 6 is going to be over there.